मैं बिना Happy Grandparents Day. मैं बताते is my hero, my superhero. I love you, Tata. I have very sweet grandparents. I love to play with my grandfathers, and my grandmother makes me yummy delicious. And I like to play with her. And they're loving and caring. Hello everyone. I am Patlapalli. I love my grandparents. Happy Grandparents Day. Happy Grandparents Day. I love it, Nanamataya. Hello, I'm Ira. I live with my grandparents. Happy Grandparents Day. I love you, Mummy and Tata. Thanks for being there for me. Love you. Grandparents Day, I love you. You're my best grandparents ever. And I love you. They made me brave and smart and I love you. Bye bye. And they protect me. Bye bye. Grandmother's name is Manju Lata. She loves me a lot. She cares for me. Favorite foods as well as laddus. She cares for me. I care for her.
And I love her.
And I love her. Hello, Natu, Dati, Nanu, Nani. Hi. I love you all. I miss you. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.